How AIA is transforming agriculture by feeding the future with precision farming. Imagine walking through a lush green field where every plant is perfectly nurtured, every pest is precisely targeted, and every drop of water is efficiently used. This vision is becoming a reality thanks to the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, AIA, and precision farming. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for food is rising at an unprecedented rate. Traditional farming methods are struggling to keep up with this demand, and challenges such as climate change and resource limitations are making agriculture more complex than ever. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture represents a revolutionary shift in farming practices, driven by AIA technology. Traditionally, farming relied on broad, one-size-fits-all approaches, where large fields were treated uniformly, regardless of the varying needs of different areas within the field. This approach often led to inefficient use of resources and suboptimal crop yields. Precision agriculture, powered by AIA, changes this paradigm by enabling farmers to tailor their practices to the specific conditions and needs of each part of their field. Using AIA algorithms, farmers can analyze data from various sources, including satellite imagery, soil sensors, and weather forecasts, to gain detailed insights into their crops and soil conditions. AIA-driven precision agriculture allows for more accurate and targeted application of inputs such as water, fertilizers, and pesticides. AIA-enhanced crop monitoring and disease detection. AIA is revolutionizing how we monitor crop health and detect diseases, enabling farmers to identify and address issues with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Traditionally, detecting plant diseases and pests required manual inspections and relied on visible signs of damage. This approach was often time-consuming and prone to errors, leading to delayed responses and potential losses. AIA-powered technologies, such as image recognition and machine learning, have transformed this process by providing advanced tools for real-time crop monitoring and early disease detection. AIA systems can analyze images captured by drones or satellite sensors to detect subtle changes in crop health that may indicate the presence of diseases or pests. Machine learning algorithms are trained to recognize patterns and anomalies in these images, allowing for the early identification of potential issues before they become widespread. Autonomous machinery and robotics. The integration of AIA into autonomous machinery and robotics is transforming agricultural operations, increasing efficiency, and reducing labor requirements. Traditional farming often involves labor-intensive tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting, which can be time-consuming and physically demanding. AIA-powered autonomous machines, such as drones, tractors, and harvesters, are changing this landscape by performing these tasks with high precision and minimal human intervention. Autonomous tractors equipped with AIA systems can navigate fields, plant seeds, and apply fertilizers with precise accuracy. These machines use GPS and sensors to follow predetermined paths and adjust their operations based on real-time data, such as soil conditions and crop growth. Data-driven decision-making. AIA empowers farmers with data-driven decision-making capabilities, enabling them to make informed choices that optimize their farming practices. Traditionally, farming decisions were based on experience and intuition, with limited access to comprehensive data. AIA changes this by providing farmers with access to a wealth of information from various sources, including weather forecasts, soil conditions, and crop performance data. By analyzing this data, AIA systems can generate actionable insights and recommendations that guide farming decisions. For example, AIA can analyze weather patterns to predict optimal planting and harvesting times, helping farmers avoid adverse weather conditions and maximize crop yields. Additionally, AIA can process data from soil sensors to recommend the best planting strategies and crop rotations based on soil health and nutrient levels. Precision livestock farming. AIA is not limited to crop production. It is also transforming livestock farming through precision livestock farming (PLF) techniques. Traditional livestock management often involved generalized practices that did not account for the individual needs of each animal. AIA-driven PLF changes this by providing farmers with detailed insights into the health, behavior, and performance of their livestock, enabling more precise and personalized care. AIA systems can monitor livestock using sensors and cameras to track various metrics, such as activity levels, feeding patterns, and health indicators. For example, wearable sensors can measure an animal's temperature, heart rate, and movement. providing early warnings of potential health issues. Sustainable agriculture and environmental impact. AI is playing a crucial role in promoting sustainable agriculture and reducing the environmental impact of farming practices. As the demand for food grows, there is an increasing need to balance productivity with environmental stewardship. AI technologies contribute to sustainability by optimizing resource use, minimizing waste, and reducing the ecological footprint of farming operations. For example, AI-driven precision irrigation systems can reduce water consumption by delivering the exact amount of water needed to each part of a field based on real-time data. This targeted approach helps conserve water resources and minimizes runoff, which can contribute to soil erosion and water pollution. Similarly, AI can optimize the use of fertilizers and pesticides, reducing the risk of over-application and minimizing their impact on the environment. By integrating AI into farming practices, farmers can achieve higher productivity while adhering to sustainable principles and protecting natural resources. AI in supply chain management. AI is revolutionizing supply chain management in agriculture, streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency from farm to table. Traditionally, managing the agricultural supply chain involved complex logistics, coordination, and manual tracking. AI technology simplifies these processes by providing real-time visibility and predictive analytics that improve decision-making and reduce inefficiencies. AI systems can analyze data from various sources, including production rates, inventory levels, and market demand, to optimize supply chain operations. For example, AI can forecast demand for agricultural products, helping farmers and distributors plan production and distribution more effectively. Additionally, AI can track and manage inventory levels, reducing the risk of shortages or surpluses, and improving overall supply chain efficiency. By leveraging AI in supply chain management, the agricultural industry can reduce waste, improve delivery times, and enhance the overall efficiency of the food distribution process. Challenges and future prospects. While AI is transforming agriculture in numerous ways, it also presents challenges that must be addressed to fully realize its potential. One of the key challenges is the need for access to reliable and high-quality data. AI systems rely on accurate and comprehensive data to function effectively, and data quality issues can impact the performance of AI algorithms. Additionally, the adoption of AI in agriculture requires investment in technology and training, which may be a barrier for some farmers, particularly those in developing regions. Looking to the future, the continued advancement of AI in agriculture holds exciting prospects for further innovation and improvement. Emerging technologies such as advanced robotics, AI-powered drones, and integrated IoT systems are expected to enhance precision farming and address emerging challenges. Collaboration between researchers, technology developers, and farmers will be crucial in driving innovation and ensuring that AI solutions are accessible, effective, and tailored to the needs of the agricultural sector. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.